Hi guys! Dito ako sa garage. Maglilinis kami ng mga junk namin na hindi na namin nagamit for 3 years. So, ayoko yung mga junk na isi-save mo tapos hindi. Kami, junk na nga. So, kailangan ko itago. So, kailangan ko hanap ng maybe my kids like to use this. This is their hats. So, I need this. I'm not sure. What is that? Ang daming mga hindi ko akalain nandito pa sa ano namin. Sa doon. Ito. Nag, ano?
A little cold over your back.
Oh, what's your worst sweater? Go ahead. This. Babalik ko dito. Magagamit pa ito. Saka maraming kurtina dito na mga bigay-bigay lang sa akin na I don't need it anymore. Kailangan ko lang tapon. So, ang hirap pag marami kang mga gamit na hindi mo siya makinabangan na after few years. So, kasi ayoko talagang maraming junk na kahit sa damit. Pag ilang buwan na hindi ko talaga sinusuot, kahit paulit-ulit pa yung ibang damit ko kasi paborito ko, kikip ko. Pero yung mga talagang 6 months o 1 year ko hindi na sinusuot, tinatapon ko na siya. So, ganyan si Nining Joy Bisaya. Or ipapadala ko dyan sa kamag-anak ko, kung saan, maraming gusto. Kaya ganon. So you guys, you see all the clothes and jackets and stuff like that. So we need to put it here, just in case somebody will take away and need it. But I want to keep the hammers though. But this is nice. Oh, ow! You don't want this one, right?
No.
Oh, this is the boots. You guys don't want to wear these boots, right? Anyway. Yeah, this is my old clothes. I don't want to keep it anymore. I don't want to see it.
Oh, look at this.
I don't know why, but
What is it now?
Look at this dog.
Ooh,
So
cute. Cute dog.
It's a doggy. I can't even find it.
A little stuffed animal.
It's not even in the camera.
So, my buddy here is, oh, my daughter, my youngest one. You need this one?
Oh, maybe. Instruction paper, maybe.
But you don't need it right now, right?
Not right, but not right now. But class I have, you know.
Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna put it here. Just
Forget
in
about
case.
it. Though.
Yeah, and this is the books. Actually, I
Wait,
don't know. This is the
what's
book
in
that
there,
we
though?
keep.
What's in there?
I'm not sure. I don't remember what's in there.
What?
But I'm sure this is ours. In this behind it. I think this is a books that I need to give away. I just don't have a chance to give to someone because
It's all the kids' books, right? Oh,
Yeah, but
wait.
the one that
What's
we
this? Never mind. I thought it was something else.
the one that I keep for you guys for things I wanna keep from your like you're still small.
You have to like look at those, don't we?
Yeah, but I need to move all the stuff first
What's it
before we
say?
can open it. Why you need to? I think it's
So-
Papa's clothes.
Oh, well, I don't know what the other stuff is. What I'm saying.
And I don't have any idea because we need to move that one. We cannot according to move the stuff. Tito Moses' car is not there. It's supposed to be there.
We can move it. It's all space.
And then for back in? Yeah? Well. Yes. So, yeah. Pag talagang sabi nila, pag maliit daw, maliit lang ang bahay.
We'll just take off those first.
Yeah, hold on, anak. I'm talking.
Oh my god, you're wasting time
Yes.
by talking.
So, yes. Yan ang junk namin.
See, it's too heavy.
O junk. Hindi naman junk sa iba. Sa akin eh. So yes. So ganyan talaga ang ang mangyari pag you wanna keep everything. Yes, you wanna keep everything, maging yun ang mangyari. So anyway, she wanna kasi kailangan niyang hanapin yung what is that called, Nak? What do you call that? The one that you're looking for?
A book and something else.
Books and something else. I don't know what the something else is. But, yes. Pag maliit daw ang bahay, kailangan malaki kasi masikip. Actually, maliit o malaki, pag hindi ka mahilig magtapon na hindi mo naman kailangan, talagang maginitong mangyari. Which is,
Oh,
besides sa amin, you know,
there's more paper.
yeah. More paper? Oh gosh. Yes, that's because you guys love drawings. That's why we have a lot of stuff that when you're little.
It's like this, like books.
But yeah. But be careful taking everything out because otherwise it's hard for us to put it back in.
That's why we clean it now. Oh my god.
Oh, that one I keep. Just that's my for you guys that you love that book.
I sold this from in preschool.
Really.
Well, I didn't steal it. It's just like I checked it out.
But
I
there's
never-
more books in there. Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah. These are like the kids' books.
I need to call my friend because she donated some kids in the Philippines and I need that to give to her. But the thing is I cannot right now. I need to ask Papa to drop off something. Can you check what is that? If you wanna this it's not this stuff. Kahit yung pang-aso naming mga damit, kinip namin. But anyway, if you wanna keep it, anak, or you wanna put it in the garbage?
Keep one.
The one that Snuggy's closed. Oh, I don't use, don't throw that one out. Oh, that's your backpack, I
No, it's
know.
not this backpack.
Oh, that's Ate's?
Yeah. Mine is right there, I think.
Yeah, yung bata pa sila, syempre may preschool, first school, kinikip. Yeah, I keep that one also because I sure for my memories, for my babies.
This Nike stuff?
Yeah, can you check if you wanna save it? And whatever we don't wanna keep it, can you put on top of the boxes over there?
Which box? This one?
Yeah, yes, this is junk one, junk boxes. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, that's it. Our Christmas. What was that? Santa
it's
Claus.
so big.
It's so. Oh yeah, it's so big now for her.
I think this is. No, I'm saying this is. Yeah, it's big. I think
So
that'll
this
fit, that'll
is-
fit, that'll fit Diana.
Oh, Diana.
Yeah.
See, those are this is for the doggies outfit for Christmas. Is it Santa?
Yeah.
So our doggy, first dog is Snuggy.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a Snuggy also. This everything is Snuggy.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying. it's
We
cute.
got a lot of stuff
Oh,
for
it's in her
Snuggy.
little pajamas.
Those are pajamas, yes.
It's
And
so
she got a
cute.
pajamas. Can I see the pajamas? Can you give it to me so I can show them? Alright. So this is the pajamas of Snuggy. Can you imagine she was so little?
I think she still fit that. She'll
She's
still
still fit because she
She's
gets
so
skinny.
small.
Yeah, she gets skinnier and skinnier because she's getting old. So yeah, you wanna keep it?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
So cute.
Yeah, can you gonna
Yeah.
okay, anyway.
Little Christmas stuff.
Okay, maybe put it back in there.
Put it back?
Yeah, put it back in there. You got that from there, right?
Yeah, I know, but like, would it make sense to like clean out this first
Okay,
and then put it back?
okay, whatever.
What is this? Spider web
Yeah, spider web.
with with a wire at the end.
Oh, baby, this is not wire. It's more.
You should put all the throwaway stuff there.
Yeah, they won't throw away things.
Okay, help me then.
I don't know. Which
I don't know
one
what you want to. I don't know what you
No,
want to
this
keep
is all-
either.
this-
Because when I try to throw this out, you're like, I want to keep it.
Yeah, but that one, I don't want to throw that one. I just want.
Throw this one. This
I
is just
give-
a magazine.
Okay.
Just a magazine.
You know what? No, because Papa wants to keep that one. I don't wanna. He will ask me where that.
No, this is not. There's so many editions that come like this. National Geographic, and look, we already drew on it.
Oh, okay. Put it there anyway. But that one, I give that someone to send it to Philippines. Okay.
This stuff.
Yes.
So then where do you put it?
We're gonna put it back on top of there. Because right now we don't have the car. Papa have their car. I cannot drop off
Well, I
to
want to
my
take the
friends.
bottom one.
Okay, we need to
So we
put.
take that out then.
You need to.
I can't put it. I can't put it back because it'll make it heavier.
Okay. Move the stuff over here. The one already over here, so that way we can move the one over there. Put all the stuff over here. That corner. Oh boy, I cannot go through now. Okay, wait. Parang yung bunso ko, parang ako rin na hindi siya titigil hanggat hindi makita niya yung hinahanap
Move it
niya.
that way.
So yeah, I'm gonna move this way. No worries. I need to make a room. Yes. So, kasi dapat yung sasakyan namin makagarahe dito. Pero dahil sa mga gamit, doon na kami sa street nagpa-park. Which is yung isang kotse ng brother-in-law ko nandito, pero yung isang kotse niya
Oh, here we go.
nasa
Here's all the books I care about. See, look.
sa
This is one of
street din nakapark.
It's one of my books.
Oh, that's the one you're looking
No,
for?
no, but it's one of them.
I don't know when the others. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh gosh. I keep
love
this
this
one because someone gives it to me. I think this is all your stuff that I wanna keep. And this is your first drawings, guys, together with your ate. Oh no, this is not a drawing. That was this is about veterans. About the veterans that yung project nila sa school. Kasi yung papa nila veterano from the US Navy. Yes.
I'm only taking out the books that I want.
And then, oh, so, yes, mahirap na ipakita sa inyo, pero yes, this is all the, yes, bilisan na. Project nila, how old are you on this, Snack? What grade are you?
Wow.
Oh, this is Ates or you?
Let me see. I don't remember.
Yes.
I don't remember most of these.
Yeah, he joined the Navy is December
Marvelous.
5, 1988.
Huh.
Until 1997. Yun ang si Elmo. So he was a US Navy. Alright? So, yes. But I wanna keep this one because yun ang ginawa ng aking babies nung elementary pa siya. Pero I don't know, hindi ko maalala yung panganay ko o itong bunso. Not, you know what, sometimes it's hard to put everything back.
The Grim Legacy. Oh my gosh.
What magazine?
The Grim Legacy.
Oh.
All these
So how
books.
many books you got?
There's a lot more in there that I'm taking out. Trust me.
Okay. Hey. She's still looking for the one that she needs now. Right, you need it for
I
school?
don't need it.
Or you just want to read it again?
I've been trying to read more books lately.
Ah, okay. Better. They
What?
love books. So, like I said,
I used
kung
to.
mayroon kayong may biling books na like, kasi ano pa lang sila babies talagang, kahit hindi pa sila masyadong makabasa, binabasahan ko bago sila matulog. So, hanggang naging nasanayan nila. Instead of watching TV, they read books. So, yun. Instead of what is that called? Yeah, read books. And then instead of watching TV, drawings, so kaya ganun. Kaya ang dami nilang books na kinikip ko, lalo na yung mga kung saan sila ang first natututo mag-read ng books. Kaya, oh my gosh. This is all ours? Oh my goodness. And, Nak, look at this. We have more of this. Look.
Apparently.
Kasi mahilig sila ng mga gano. Kaya either birthday nila o anong occasion, maraming nagbibigay. So, maraming hindi ko na alam.
What?
Yes! I told you, the one, remember before we move in here, I told you guys,
This looks so new though.
wherever you wanna
What?
save it.
That's insane. Wait.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Sardo. I love Sardo.
Nak, we're gonna put this old stuff, old books.
I'll make room.
We have no more.
Sorry, I just want to read books again.
But anyway, I let her be. What about Ate? Remember she got a lot of books also?
Yeah, I'm taking out her books too. I'm trying to.
Oh, okay. Yes, guys. So, yung mga, instead of focusing yung mga bata sa mga gadgets, try nyo, yung regular books. Kaya, nahilig sila sa books, mahilig mag-drawings, instead, sabi nila, wag masyadong panoorin yung bata ng TV. Yes, totoo yun. Pero depende yung sa TV. Kasi sila, pagka bored naman sila mag-read ng books, o mag-other stuff, nanonood sila ng TV. Pero depende lang sa pinapanood. Then, ngayon, naka-on yung TV nila.
Auntie's diploma.
Oh, this other is diploma? Oh, no.
Her high school diploma, yeah.
But there's nothing on it. I think I'll keep it on the...
Just keep the thing though. That's
Yeah, I wanna keep it. But can you put this back? Just keep it there. Because we get...
case.
Yeah, she got another case over there. Nak. I put it on the album. The album.
It's too heavy to pull.
I told you it's hard to do because a lot of stuff in the
I know, but I'm
And
trying
the
to
side.
like, organize it at the same time that I'm taking stuff out.
okay.
It's
So yun, 'di ba? Especially cellphone right now. Na nandoon na lahat, pwede nyo i-google, magbasa, pero nakakasira naman ng mata yun dahil sa yung ilaw o anything like that. Pero kung may books kayo, kahit at saka bumibili ako ng books noon kahit sa second hand store. Yes. At saka yung kung saan yung nag-sale ng mga books at yung gusto nila. Kaya ang dami ko nang na-donate na mga books. Mga books nila.
I'm scratching myself.
Niladala ko sa Salvation Army or dinadala ko. Pero lately, binibigay ko dun sa kaibigan ko na kung saan pinapadala niya sa Pilipinas.
You don't need these.
So, yung okay, put it there. So, yung nakita nyo isang boxes doon, that was like last year, yung mga bago kong followers, hindi nyo nakita yon. Doon yun. So, yes. So,
Oh,
besides,
my birthday card.
just keep it. The one that you give to us or
No, it's for me.
Oh, okay.
From 2016.
You wanna throw it?
Yeah.
But can I check? Because somehow from your,
It's from you guys, from Ate and Papa.
that you don't wanna keep it?
No.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Isang box doon, pinabadala ko doon sa isang kakilala ko na nagdo-donate sa school.
Oh my god. The Hunger Games. All of them.
I told you, we keep some books because if you wanna I sell the online, I bet a lot of people wanna buy that one, especially the whole edition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I only read the first one anyway.
So, yes. So, ikadaldal natin ni India, kinikwento ko lang yung mga...
While you're talking and I'm doing this.
Because we cannot fit there. I don't have any... I cannot go through. I cannot do anything else. And because this side... Actually, this pink container, anak, right here. This is still ours. Right here.
Oh. Oh, look at the
And
cage,
then this
the dog
boxes
cage.
over here, the white one with the blue top, is still ours.
The doggy
It's
cage.
still books. Huh?
The doggy cage.
Oh, that's our doggy
Yeah.
cage. Actually, the one
you
is
said-
that's
what is it?
Tita Loida.
The books that you want to donate? Put it here?
The one over there. Yeah. Are you sure you don't want to keep that one?
I don't know if it's a dictionary.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, dictionary.
Yes, but it's like written on.
Is written. It's
Yeah.
okay as long as you can still find the.
Okay.
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 So many books. So, this 3 boxes. Actually, the blue top is the books.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, books for Papa's nursing school and some of your stuff also. So we have actually all our stuff here most likely is books and yung mga pinaglakihan ng mga anak ko na gusto ko i-keep, yung mga let's say pangbinyag nila, mga damit ganyan or yung first shoes.
Twilight.
Nak, why did you take out all this stuff? How can we put it?
No, because it's hard to. Can you help me? It's hard to pull it out.
Yeah, I know, but what I'm saying is, are you gonna use that one now?
Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
I want to read them.
Oh boy.
Awesome. But help me take it out though.
Why you have to take it out? I just wanna keep the box over there so we can put something else.
So it's easier for me to, because I keep going over there to
Okay.
so it's easy for me to clean it, man.
Alright.
It's so difficult. Sort them out so it's easy.
Okay. So can you give me the American Girl books? So I'm gonna show them.
Is there a thing I could put on the ground so I can put the books on it?
Okay. Huh?
Is there a thing I could put on the ground so I can put the books on it?
What books that you're gonna bring?
No,
bring
just
inside?
in general so I can sort it.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Can you get a garbage bag?
No, right here. Right here. Okay. Okay. So, in Anyway,
use
ito
that one.
yung American Girl nila na books. Ano nga, not,
Here's a
what,
folder. Folder.
ate that got American Girl doll, right? Right? Yeah, the American Girl doll, right?
Yeah, both of those
What
things.
is it? Emily? What's
Oh,
your
I
name?
had Emily. She had Molly.
Oh, you got Emily and
She got Molly.
Molly.
Yeah.
And you know how much is that one? Is of
Expensive.
course American Girl is very popular. The problem is nung binuksan, nagkahiwalay-hiwalay yung so mayroon silang doll talaga actual doon.
Here's Molly.
Oh, this is Molly.
Yeah.
And where's Emily?
Emily, you have
This
it.
is this
the
is
one you're holding.
this is
I
Emily
think so.
book
Let me see,
and
let me
this
see.
is Molly's
Let me
book.
see it. Let me see it. Let me see the other one. Let me see the other one. It says Emily on it.
Oh, okay. Brave Emily. Oh, yeah, you're right. So, hindi na ako marunong magbasa. Tawa na ako ng anak ko. Yes. So, yeah, dahil mahalang edition nito. So, yeah, kailangan i-keep nicely. Nak, can you keep it nicely, anak? We don't want to ruin that. Nak, look at this in the corner. It's already...
I'm not the one that did that.
This is one I keep, right?
No, I'm just sorting it in general.
Yeah, but the one that we don't want anymore, just put it on that
Yeah, I know.
behind you
I know. I'm
boxes.
just sorting
Then,
it though. Taking it out so it's easy.
yes. So,
Harry
yes.
Potter.
Ooh, the
Harry
Harry
Potter.
Potter books, everything.
You don't want any more? You said put here.
No, the one that,
We donate.
yeah, donate that you think is still good, put it in the side. The one that is really junk, put it in that box.
It's a label.
So
You know that, right?
she's gonna do that for me because I don't have any idea I wanna keep, but I know which one I wanna keep. Yung mga memorable talagang mga kung saan sila natuto
Oh my
magbasa,
god.
kung saan sila
Oh look, world records from 2012.
you wanna keep?
It's just
What?
like world records from 2012.
What is it?
World
Scholars
records.
stick? Where the hold it?
World records, I said.
Yeah, but I think this is good. Do you think you can sell this one? Even though it's...
Maybe.
Oh, keep it then. Put it here. Put it right there because that's our... The Wimpy Kid. So, yes. So...
Found it.
Oh, she found it. The one that she's really looking for. What is it?
You know this the book To Kill a Mockingbird?
Oh, Mockingbird.
It's the sequel.
Mm. So, but the toys that you're looking for, I don't know, have any idea which box.
We'll find it.
Yeah, but I think somewhere behind here. Because behind this,
What do you want to do with these?
which one? Oh, I want to keep that one. I think all that box, I want to keep that one. The one in there. So whatever you're going to take out right now because you want it, take it out, but pull
I'm
back.
putting some in the donate though.
Okay.
Oh, these Game Informer things. Oh my gosh.
This is all, yeah, we're going to keep that one, right?
Yeah, this is like, cause like what to get these you have to like sign up to get them. Remember that? So Papa would get these like every month
Oh.
a long time ago. So I guess they might be valuable.
Yeah, just keep it.
I know.
You're
just saying.
going to look for it.
I'm just saying. I want to keep it too. It's just like.
So anyway guys, so yun ang story ng aming mga boxes dito na hindi ko magawa-gawang
Oh, this is so cute.
itatapon.
Oh look! I made a book of my favorite characters. Look at this.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's so cute.
Oh,
I'm
keep
keeping
it.
that. Yeah, I'm gonna She's like, ew.
So yes. Kaya kahit na anong gagawin someone gagawin na sa mga junk natin, yung alam nyo na he's not worth it to keep it, para hindi tayo magkaroon ng maraming junk, put away. Put it in, trash it. Toss it. Pero yung sa amin, kasi yung iba, nag-yard sale ako every year.
We have so many dictionaries.
Kaya yung nakita nyo mga clothes dyan, yung winter clothes, or your boots, or even sandal, kaso lang, hindi pwede mag-yard sale this time, and then, ayaw ko na i-keep yan. Kaya kung sinong makadadaan dito, kasi marami nagpipick up ng mga junk na binibenta nila. So, bahala na sila kung pick upin nila yan. Yung mga box, ang daming box na kung saan i-donate ko. Which is, mayroon na akong napadala last time. Ito na naman, marami na naman siya. Kasi yung naglipat kami, marami pa rin akong kinip kasi hindi ko lahat na organize na hindi ko alam kung i-keep o hindi. So, this time, talagang siguradong pabigay ko na yan sa ating dyan sa Pilipinas. Yes. So,
There's no space.
are you sure?
Huh?
You wanna donate that one too?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh boy. So we have a lot of stuff, books to donate now.
I'll put it back, but I'll split them between that and that.
Okay.
So it's like easy. And we should like label them.
Which one label them?
Like like the box and then like, so it's easy to find because we're like over here like, oh, I don't know what this is.
Actually, I live with them, but the somehow when we move in here, all the the top of the box gets switched to the other box. So,
Oh really?
this is the people who.
Oh no, watercolor pencils. What?
The one who no, I forgot what to say, but anyway. All right guys, so thank you for watching. This is gonna be my day off that doing this stuff because every time
American Girl.
another American Girl. Oh, that's Molly.
Yeah, I know. No, I know. We have more than one,
Oh, we got a lot of American Girl.
Yes.
All right. Yes. Yung every year kasi mayroon akong pinagtatapon yung mga alam kong nagagamit ko, but after that hindi na. Pero this time we sort out again kasi 3 years na kami dito that I never even use it. So, yes. So, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have idea that whatever you don't need it at all, don't keep it. Just toss it. Kasi, yung iba, hindi mo kailangan, pero yung iba, kailangan nila. At saka, kung anong gusto nyong i-keep, pero ayaw nyong i-keep sa bahay, na alam nyong pwede nyong ibigay sa nangailangan, ibigay nyo. Alright?
I'm so happy right now.
So, yes. So, oh my gosh, there's a lot of books na. I need to call my friend. Kasi, hindi ko